Hello folks, it's me again, Nigel, and my tutorial today will be on a remote desktop. I have with me these 4 VMs, Server 2008, Windows 7, Vista and XP, to demonstrate remote desktop. Now, remote desktop basically allows you to sit at a computer, you being the client, and connect to a remote computer in a different location. For example, you can connect to a work computer from home, or vice versa. You connect to a home computer from work and access all the files, the programs, etc. So let's begin. So I'm going to start with the server. As you can see, by default the remote desktop is disabled. Also in firewall settings, it's not checked. So what we're going to do now is enable remote desktop. So we have here 2 options: allow connections from computers running any versions of remote desktop, which is less secure, and allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication, which is more secure. Now for this tutorial I'm going to choose the less secure option, because this is more appropriate if you have computers with XP on a network. If you don't have computers with XP, then the more secure option will be more convenient for you. I click apply. We see that the remote desktop has been automatically added. Click OK. Move on to the Windows 7 client. So right click on the computer, properties, remote settings, check the less secure, click apply, and if we check control panel, system and security, Windows firewall, we can see that the remote desktop is also checked. We've already done the same thing for Vista, there's no difference. Now for Windows XP, right click properties, click on remote, allow users to connect remotely to this computer. Now there's another feature with remote desktop where you can select your own remote users. So I'll demonstrate with XP. All is more or less the same with the other clients. I'm going to click add. I'm going to check locations. I'm going to click on the domain arenado.com, and I'm going to add admin server. Click apply. Alright, so I'm going to go back to the server and I'm going to start remote desktop. Click on all programs, accessories, and it's right there. So there are 2 ways you can use this. You can type in the computer name of the host that you want to access, or the IP address. So I'm going to demonstrate both options, starting with the computer name of the XP clients. xpclient.arenado.com, username XP client. I'm gonna check these tabs. Feel free to modify them how you want. This one here allows you to hear the sound from the host computer you're accessing. Programs, experience, and okay. Now what you can do here also is save these credentials. So for easier access, next time you want to access your remote client. And there, as you can see, XP client is saved to the desktop. So I'll come out of this, and click on that, and just continue from here. Click on that. Now what it's really saying here is that the identity of the remote computer cannot be verified. If you want to connect anyway, you're going to click yes. And there you can see the logon screen of the XP machine. I'm going to put in the password. And as you can see, I've logged on the XP machine. If you look at the top here, you see a little tab that says XP client at aeronida.com. See a full functionality of the Windows desktop and machine. So from the XP machine, I should show you that the XP client has been logged out, because remote desktop settings only allow for one user at a time to log in one machine. So from the XP client here, click start, all programs, accessories, click on remote desktop. And now I'm going to show you how to use the IP address, and I'm going to access the Vista client. Now the Vista client's IP address is 192.168.0.10. Username Vista client, and click connect. RONIDO. Okay, so I've successfully logged in to the Vista client. I have access to all its files and features. As you can see here, the IP address is showing 192.168.0.10. So now what I'm going to do is to log in the Windows 7 machine. First, I'm going to see if I can run a program from the Vista machine. Let's play some music. Now I'm going to log into the Windows 7 machine, and I'm going to use the computer name. and type in the password credentials. So I've logged in the Windows 7 machine and the music is still playing. Excellent. Nice. And as you can see here by the tab, Windows 7 client.evanado.com machine. So now I'm going to attempt to log into the server using an account that's on the server via Windows 7. Server 2008 .evanado.com, username server, admin, type in the credentials. So as you can see, I've successfully logged onto the server via the Windows 7 client. The server manager has come up, so I have access to all the features of the server. Nice. So I'm going to proceed to log off all these users one at a time. That was the server. This is Windows 7. I'm going to log off Windows 7. And this is Vista. I'm going to log off Vista. Last but not least, Windows XP. I'm going to log off. And we're back to the original admin server. So folks, this brings me to the end of my tutorial. I hope it was interesting to you as it was to me. Thank you very much. This is Nigel Doyle, and I'm out.